The Ninja Combi all-in-one multi-cooker comes with the base unit, the Combi cooker pan, the crisper tray, the bake tray, plus your recipe book and quick start guide. The dual tray architecture lets you cook in multiple modes at once. So with Combi meals, you'll be able to cook a full meal in just 15 minutes. To begin, use the Combi cooker pan at the bottom for your pasta or rice, and the Combi bake tray on top for your protein of choice. Once everything's in place, close the cover securely. On the control screen, select Combi Meals. Adjust your temperature and time, and press Start. This automatically activates dual-level cooking, letting steam rise from the bottom tray while hot air crisps the top. And in under 15 minutes, you'll have a full meal perfectly cooked, top and bottom. For perfectly crispy and juicy results, use the Combi Crisp mode. Start by filling up the Combi cooker pan with some water. Next, place the crisper tray inside the Combi cooker pan. Along with the ingredients, place the trays into the Ninja Combi. Close the lid securely, then select Combi Crisp mode on the control panel. Using advanced nanocyclone air technology, heat circulates from above to create that golden, crispy finish, while gentle steam from below keeps the inside tender and moist. For soft, fluffy bakes every time, use Combi Bake mode. Start by filling up the Combi cooker pan with some water. Next, place your bakes on the bake tray. Lastly, place the cooker tray with water below, and the bake tray above. Close the lid securely and select Combi Bake mode on the control panel. As it heats up, steam from the Combi pan rises to keep your bakes moist and tender. This function is also perfect for reheating delicate foods such as cakes, muffins, or buns. With Combi Bake, you'll never have to eat stale bakes again. Other Combi functions include steam mode to cook fish or reheat gently, proof mode for dough rising, and rice and pasta mode. Your Ninja Combi gives you the right tool for every meal. Switch between Combi mode and air fry mode using the Smart Switch. Switching to air fry mode gives you access to additional functionalities. You can use air fry mode for crispy and golden results with fast circulating hot air. Bake mode for cakes, pastries, and desserts that rise beautifully. Sear and saute mode for pan-style cooking like stir-fries or searing meat. Slow cook mode for hearty stews and braised dishes that need time to tenderize. And sous vide mode to gently cook vacuum-sealed ingredients in water at precise temperatures, keeping them juicy and flavorful. Whatever you're craving, there's a mode that makes it effortless. For best results, refer to the recipe guide included with your unit for recommended timings and settings for your favorite dishes. Only use the accessories included. Other accessories may not fit or may alter results. You can use parchment paper or foil in the Combi pan or on the bake tray safely. Oven-safe glass bakeware works as well. Always switch off and unplug the unit and allow it to fully cool down before cleaning. Trays and accessories like the Combi pan, crisper tray, and bake tray are dishwasher safe. Or you can wash them gently with a soft sponge and mild detergent. You can remove stubborn residue by soaking trays first. As for the inside of the cooker, simply wipe with a damp cloth. Please do not immerse the base or control panel. For deeper cleaning, the Ninja Combi has a steam cleaning function. Simply fill the Combi pan with water, select steam mode on the control panel, and let it run for 10 minutes. Once the timer is up, let the Ninja Combi cool down before wiping the interior. Lastly, wipe down the outside with a damp cloth to keep it looking fresh. Your Ninja Combi gives you maximum versatility with less clutter and less fuss. Simply follow this guide and you'll enjoy years of delicious cooking the Combi way.